Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to access Robinhood Gold. First, ensure you have the latest version of the Robinhood app installed on your device. Open the app and log into your account. Robinhood Gold provides enhanced features like professional research and increased instant deposit limits, which can be very beneficial for active traders. Once logged in, tap the account icon located in the bottom right corner of your screen. From there, you should see a section or banner specifically for Robinhood Gold. Tap on this to learn more about the features and the monthly subscription fee. You will then be guided through the steps to activate your Gold membership. With Robinhood Gold, you gain access to valuable benefits. This includes professional research reports from Morningstar, helping you make informed investment decisions. You also get instant deposits up to $50,000, allowing you to trade with funds immediately. Plus, enjoy a competitive 4% interest rate on your uninvested cash. To manage your Robinhood Gold membership, simply return to the Account section within the app. Here, you can review your subscription details, adjust settings, or cancel if needed. It's easy to keep track of your benefits and billing information. Also, for those looking to deepen their financial understanding, check the description below for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.